How to manage third-party app access to your Google account. In this video, I'll show you how to manage third-party app access to your Google account. This allows you to review which apps have access to your account and remove any you no longer use or trust. Start by opening the Gmail app on your Android phone or iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Manage Your Google Account. Next, go to the Security tab and scroll down to the bottom and search for Your Linked Apps section. Then tap See All Linked Apps. You'll now see a list of apps and services connected to your Google account. Tap any app to view the permissions it has. If you want to remove its access, tap on the app Delete All Connections. Then confirm your choice. That's it. You've successfully managed third-party app access to your Google account, helping keep your account more secure. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.